Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Hannes came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk on, peeps. Are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you do it, John Crow?
But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yo, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, tap me and make you know. Yo, too much on now. Watch the video and now subscribe. You know, tap me and make you know. Yeah, that's so like, comment, share, and subscribe. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. What is happening here? Spice and Nicholas back at it again. Well, Spice will throw some jobs right now. Yeah, for Nicholas. Is that where the money at? Where the money at? Since you say, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys don't know, I live under a rock. Spice in marriage, they have a husband named Nicholas, and then break up. And ever since them break up, I be a back and forth social media job. Them a be petty. Them a chat to one another. Them a say who workless, who do this. Spice I say Nicholas now play a film role in the picnic them life. Ray. Nicholas say yeah, him a do him thing. Ray. So pretty much it's a lot of back and forth. So Spice yesterday head out to go buy her children them school book and thing, you know, because school are go open now. So make we get right in it and see what one and she post some stuff on the Instagram. Okay. I don't hear from the father, but you soon see him on IG a chat. Well, read it together. Nicholas, how me no hear from you now? Toya soon 10. You not try even pay 10% of one of these. That book list the long that I will have so much money for book list. I saw it there now for gas. Anyway. Enough money that still, but yeah. Damn! Let's go in our next one, you know. Since, as you say, me are the worst mother and me a witch, make me get the broom.
Bruh.
Yo, Spice, in a easy, you know.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Look at the next one, I know. Nicholas, school book I buy. Where you there? Or you are wait until school bills over to come on IT and compose speak to them and chat off your stinking mouth. Wow. Oisa.
Why you do it, John Crow?
On a real level, brother. You need to alright, yo. Me never know where to start from, but here what, brother. You need to step up as a father if you not do it. If you not do them things, brother. If you not do it. And contributing to the kids them life. As a matter of fact, I wish you and Spice could squash this whole toxic thing. You know? And me no want to say a lie somebody I tell. Or if a truth, because there's two sides of the story. And there is the truth. You know what I mean? Spice side, Nicholas side, and the truth. But yeah. I don't know if Spice will be petty and that's why she threw up this. If you just throw some shades off for him or a true. But brother, if I'm not true, brother, you're in some serious problems, brother. You're gonna look bad still. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what I say. Big up to all of the true fathers them out there, you know what I mean? Who play the role of a good father and contribute to them kids' life, even if, you know what I mean, you and the mother break up or divorce or, you know what I mean, that they're on good terms. Real father that, you see it. Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Oh my God! Stop! Please stop! I want you. Please stop, you there? Please stop! Oh my God! I'm not sure. What about you? Are still smelling?
Isa! If I saw your name, brother. How are you going? The funeral, brother? Brother, Isa now a man in the Bible. How are Isa in the Bible again? Me I'll forget. Brother. How are you in Jamaica, brother? When you can't make the people them rest in peace. In peace, if you get me. Let the people them rest in peace. In peace. Why you can't cool down off of the violence, brother? Funeral. And as you clearly can see, it's a big woman them a bury. Maybe somebody mother. Maybe somebody grandmother or aunt. In this situation that look like a grandma or possibly a mother. That's crazy. No respect for the dead, though. Nothing them have.
When you're going on this lonely road, and when you go around this corner, you see any house. So when you go up to a little dark corner, you turn down, you're going to a little bridge. If you hear no dark bar, you go on. You see the empty church on your right hand. A road cut in, you see the empty church sign, and you make a turn like this, and you go on, like the way you go over there. You see a little house, they call it Dynamite House. To the tool, when they on the road. I just straight to one big house with a red gate. And Steve live there, my cousin, Steve. My curtain, right? When you go up straight, you go on, you see one of the house, and it look like shop was on the front page with two columns like this. What's on it? Go on. When you go on the next deep turn and take it in, and you look, you see another part of big house down with green and white and some gate. That's a Tony you with your cousin. See me? You go on round, and as you go on, you come out, just stop to car. And you my girl, just stop at the side car. And if you miss, when you go up the come to a number 11 tree, you come back, you want to board out. I hold band sister living in Crete, you can reverse. You make mistake. If you turn back and see a straight, go on up straight, you go another go, you see one wall. So, like you cover another brick, but a low descent, you know, have no top, they make it low. When you go on in Rocky, as you go on, you tie across and you go on, you see. If you look before you, so you look up, so you see Dancehall, Silver Spring, the post office is just down. And you look at one shop, stop, and not even leave it so. We have everybody name in Dancehall, just get all information, and not even show you. And Gary just chuck this out in front of this, don't I post office a park. Down there, and all the guys that made there and good at it. I want that little smart, you know, want nothing more style. You can't take it down. Proper information.
Oh!
Yo! You know say a direction the man a give smaddy? Yo! You see from him reach Tony? My last day so you know, brother. All you come in like Google Maps of Jamaica. You. I send people got some, you know how much time Google Maps last me in Jamaica? You. That man here, you're wicked. Alright, peeps. I'm gonna react to that one here. And thing. You know, it kinda like a day late. But me wanna react to it. And see what go on. You know? So, yeah, me could get right tonight, you know?
Commercial people, them big
Hold on. I water that. Yo, I wrote that, you know. Boss, one pipe, boss, you know. Watch out, no one carry that. Can't
There's an auto in the drive. Side of jog or motor. And children hospital. Main burst. I look good at all. Nothing can pass us.
That's crazy.
Understand, who play water and who will start up.
And I live on there.
Pussy glad. You saw when it just started, watch out.
That come up there.
That
a lift here.
Watch it to blood clot. Why a different route in that? Bomba! Fuck are you? Fucking fool!
Jesus Christ.
So why you not drive over the same place even if you are trying?
Jesus.
Why you do it, John Cross?
You see that, right? You see that happen, right? I see where the water a bust from. You would drive over the area where you see the water bust from or around it if you are going to take the chance. Best thing you should have done or they should have done a turn back. But if you are going to take the chance, you are going to drive over the part where you see a leak, you're not going to drive around it. Boy, yeah. NWC, you're the next one. You're the next one. You see when you spend a bag of money on Constant Spring Road, almost take 1 year to repair and replace bare old pipe. That's why I talk, cause a bare old pipe on the have, brother. Bare old pipe. Me see a picture, I'm sorry I couldn't even get to find it back again. Me see a picture, peeps, where they must show you where the pipe bust from. Suppose you see the pipe, how the pipe rusty. The pipe rusty is a whole pipe. The pipe get rusty. The area are rotten out. And it drop down. Or it give way. Some whole pipe, brother. This happened at Auto Wind Drive. That be pretty much in front of Children's Hospital. You know what I mean? Near Stewart's Auto. And all them stuff there. Yeah. That's crazy. Fix the pipe them. NWC change out the old pipe them.
Around smarty!
Oh!
I don't know if you judge nobody. See it there? And Ellie this. So Ellie there run taxi. Ellie! Wagwan! Elephant! Elephant can people. Up on the tree. I'm here. Ellie! Elephant!
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy the video and thing. You know, not nothing too long, but you know, it's still I keep the pot bubbling. Peeps, let me know your thoughts on the whole Spice situation, the funeral situation, the NWC situation. I don't tell you how me feel already. You know, I really wish Nicholas and Spice can work out something at the end of the day, so it's not so toxic between both of them. And brother, if it is, as I say, if it is, you nah play the role, try to play the role. Or if it is, Spice I try to be petty or so, cause then if ever go back and forth, and I like kind of it, you know what I mean, work out something, try, even for the children sake, you know, cause a broken home, as much as you don't think it affect the children, it does affect the children, you know. So yeah, the brother that we give direction, brother, use an old version of Google Map, you're wicked. Yo, that ever I'm when you ask country people direction, you know, that nah go happen. Not with me. Them people last you. But anyway, peeps, I hope you enjoy the video. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And thanks for rocking with me, you know. I appreciate it. So just go and join the video, boy. Ashoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the